Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Toggle Renters Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Toggle Renters Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers a comparison tool for renters' insurance policies. Its main purpose is to help renters find the best and most affordable renters insurance by comparing quotes from various providers. The target audience is renters looking for a simple way to compare options and save money. Key features likely include policy comparison, price analysis, and potentially some filtering options. Their website provides details on how their comparison engine works and the types of insurance they cover. It highlights ease of use as a key benefit, promising a quick and streamlined process. They emphasize pricing transparency and the ability to compare policies side by side, allowing users to readily identify the best value. Availability is likely nationwide, though this should be confirmed on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Toggle Renters Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply inputted my address and some basic details about my apartment and belongings. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found it very easy to navigate and understand the different policy options presented. I especially appreciated the way they summarized key policy features like coverage amounts and deductibles in a clear, concise format. The comparison tool worked flawlessly. The results were presented quickly and accurately. I was able to easily sort and filter the results based on price and coverage. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed policy documents directly within the comparison. I had to visit each provider's website individually for that. I had a quick question about a specific policy detail and their support responded within 2 days via email. I was really impressed by how straightforward the entire process was. The standout feature for me was definitely the side-by-side comparison of policies. It made choosing the right coverage so much easier. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Toggle Renters Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It saved me a significant amount of time and helped me find a renter's insurance policy that perfectly met my needs at a great price. That's my overview of Toggle Renters Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.